Set the lifting pedestal selector to up. Pull the drum off the following plate at a slight angle downwards. Use ventilation pipe, if installed. Now the empty drum can be removed from the machine. Please put the new drum below the following plate now. If the following plate sealing is dry, please lubricate it with the t-s-i.de lubricant. Article code 9999-0002-0005. Please take care that the new drum is properly prepared. The drum preparation depends on the type of material and the packaging of the manufacturer. Please contact us if you're not sure how to prepare the drum properly. Now please set the lifting pedestal selector to down and move the following plate into the drum. When the following plate arrives on top of the material, please unscrew the screw plug to vent the drum. As soon as only material and no more air comes out, you can close the screw plug again. Important, the selector for the lifting pedestal must always be in the down position during operation.